A lot of persons have been asking me, how can they write articles that they don't know about? How can they write articles and it is 0% free of plagiarism? That is why I am uploading this video. This video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can write articles without plagiarism. I'm going to give you two websites where you will use to maneuver with words and then come out with articles that have zero plagiarism. Now, if you want to learn that, because it's going to help you to work online and then make money. So what you need to do, first, subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you subscribe, it doesn't end there. You get a regular update. Every day we upload articles that will help you to work and sit while you are sitting at home. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, give us a thumbnail and like the video so that others can also have access to it. After all, nobody is paying for this tutorial, so why not join others to subscribe to this YouTube channel so we'll continue to build ourselves. Anything you want me to teach you, put it in the description. I will do the video for your benefit. Now let's dive in. Now the first website we're going to discuss about is called QBot. Please, this is a practical section, so you don't need to skip any part of the video. We want to take it bit by bit. Like I said, we want to learn how to write articles that are free of plagiarism. Articles that can be screened anywhere in the world and it is your content, even though you don't know what is in that content. Even though you don't know the topic you are discussing, even though you're not a professional in that topic, but you write professionally. So let's go into it. First thing, we're going to make use of two tools. The first tool is called QBot. Let's go, just type QBot in your qbot.com and then you get it. QBot. Okay. Now once you are there, yes, this is QBot. Now once you are here, you can see I didn't do anything. You can add the extension if you wish. You can just go here and then add the extension. You can add it to your doc, which I've already done, Google Chrome or Microsoft Office Word. You can add it there. It helps you to cross-check your words. But let's do it practically and see how it goes. Now, at this page, you can see the modes. The modes are the areas, the sections, or the strength of work you want to engage the site with. For instance, you want the site to write a standard writing, you want to give a standard writing, you want it to be influency, you want it to be formal, you want it to be simple, you want it to be creative, you want it to expand the content, or you want it to shorten the content. It's going to do it for you. But this is a free version, it's not a paid version. So in free version, you only get the standard and the fluency, but this is okay for you. But if you think you want to upgrade, fine. But me, I don't think it's necessary. We use it like this. Now, the synonyms, you can see the synonym strength. You can either increase this or decrease it. Yes. And then you copy your content and paste here. Then you click paraphrase. It will paraphrase the content. Now, want to go practical. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because there are lots and lots of videos we want to will unleash. But while we are going ahead, you think of anything you want to make money with and you don't know how to do it, just drop your comment in the comment section below and I will attend to you. I will make a video personally for you that will help you to start making and generating money online. Now let's check. Let's take a content. For instance, let's take a content. Okay, this is a financial. Let's take a. Let's just go. Sorry, let's go to a content. We want to write about finance. Um, Want to write about finance? Please just hold on. Okay, let's just go to my site. Let's see. Please, let's hold on while it loads. Okay, let's hold on while it loads. Okay, want to write about Southwest Rapid Reward Premier Card. Okay, this is the content we want to write about. I don't want to subscribe. This is the content we want to write about. You can see this content. Maybe you are asked, like as a freelancer or somebody that writes article online. If you want to learn how to write articles online, you want the website that allows you to write articles and get paid. Check the description below. I've already done a video to that. So you just go there, you will see multiple websites, more than 8 websites where you can write and get paid. Some of them will give you a topic to write on. Let's assuming that you are given a topic, Southern Rapid Rewards Premier Card. It's a credit card and you don't know about it. I want to write this content. You can see a whole lot of the content. You can see you want to write this content. We're going to take only one paragraph and write about it. Now, if you copy this paragraph, you select and then you copy and paste in your own sheet. It means it is plagiarism. You can be sued for it. And websites that pays you for writing an article do not accept such content. Take note, do not copy and paste. Copying somebody's work like this and pasting as if it is your own, you will never get paid. In fact, some of the websites that I've highlighted or have exposed to you will just block your account because they believe that you don't know what you are doing. So, but I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. Now we've copied this content. Just copy and then go to keyboard. As you go to keyboard, you paste. If you click there, it will paste it. You can see the content that we copied and pasted it there. Now, I want this writing to be standard. I don't want to be fluency. You click standard. And I don't want the synonym to be too much. I want to reduce the synonym. And then it automatically begins to paraphrase. What it is doing right now at this point is trying to change the sentences. It's trying to change the words. But the meaning still remains the same. As the words are changed, so the plagiarism syndrome or the plagiarism illness is being removed. So we allow it to change it. I think the words are too much. I think the words are too much, but let's allow it to change it. But meanwhile, something I forgot to tell you. As you open qbot.com, what you need to do is to register with your valid email. As you register, so that it will allow you to work freely. So just go register, it's just free, just register and that is all. Yeah, I'm not saying you should upgrade to the paid version of it. I think the network is slow because the content is too much. Let's see whether we can reduce the content. Where is the site? Okay, okay, let's take this. I think that one is too much. It's too much. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, okay, I think it has paraphrased. But before we edit it, it will take a lot of time. But this is how it works. Now let's paraphrase another one. Let's remove this. I copied and pasted this second this thing on keyboard, and then I want to paraphrase. So I click on paraphrase. It's going to paraphrase this content. Making use of a shorter uh, paragraph so that you can easily edit it. So why the tool paraphrase it for us? Look at what happens here. It has paraphrased it. Now, but what happened? There are some sentences that are, or words that are in different colors. We have blue, we have red, we have black. Why are they like that? Go under here, you see, changed words are red. Structured words are those ones underlined. Longest unchanged words are those words that are blue. So if we copy this thing like this to our own work, it may be plagiarized. So what we need to do is, let's see whether we can change. You can see first the sentence start with, the card includes auto rental injury collision coverage. But here has been paraphrased and it starts with auto rental injury collision coverage. That is where it's starting with. So let's you click on it. Any words you want to change, don't click on that word and then choose a different word. Hmm? Choose a different word. Just choose a different one. I'm not a uh just collision. Let's take this. Uh, just look at the words. I'm trying to change it the way I feel is okay for me. But while you are doing this, you also read the sentences. I'm just telling you how you should do it. Just click and change. Click and change. Um, just click and change. You have to do this, else it is going to be plagiarized. Can see that contribute, change it to donate. If you, let's remove this. If users, let's see, just that. Let's try. Now we have done this. We want to check if it has plagiarism in it. So what we're going to do is to go to grammarly.com/plagiarism checker. I'm also going to drop the link at the description below so that you just go through it. Just click on it and it opens. So what we did is, when we have done with the paraphrasing, we copy. Click here to copy. If you want to download, you click here, it will download the edited content, and then you go to this place, you paste here, and then scan for plagiarism. Allow it to scan. Let's see if there's plagiarism in it. You can see no plagiarism found. The other ones should be neglected for now. I'm going to tell you how to work with those ones in a subsequent video. So grammar is fine, spelling is fine, punctuation have one error, conciseness have one error, credibility have is correct, and all of that. But the main thing you are working on for today is no plagiarism found. So that content, this content here, is yours. It's your personal. Anybody that uses this now is being plagiarized. The person has plagiarized your content, but this is your content now. So that is how you go about it. This is how you go about it to ensure that your content is free of plagiarism. Make sure you write well. Continue to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. More videos coming your way. This is how you do your content. And boom, we are off. Thank you very much.